what have they done here? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the AMG GT63 S E-Performance by LARTE design. Here we have the most powerful AMG that money can buy. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Today we will be talking about a 2025 model Mercedes-AMG GT63 S E-Performance. But as you can already see, and maybe some of you noticed, this is not a regular one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the AMG GT63 S E-Performance by LARTE design. And in today's video I want to show you everything you need to know about this car. We will be doing a full walk around, we will be listening to the sound, and I will be showing you what LARTE design has done to this car. So first things first, here we have the most powerful AMG that money can buy. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT63 S E-Performance, which comes with a 4-liter V8 biturbo AMG engine. So let me show you the engine first before we continue, right? So to open up the bonnet, all you gotta do is do this. And then we have the full carbon fiber finish on the bonnet, which I will be talking you through in a second. 3 to 1, unveiling the 4-liter V8 biturbo by AMG, built in Affalterbach, Germany. This thing is producing 639 horsepower, but yeah, you might remember I was talking about plus 800 horsepower. So where do we gain the other 204 horsepower of output? It actually comes with the electric drive unit. So this being a high performance hybrid, we have the AMG e-drive unit, which gives us 204 horsepower. Then we have the 4-liter V8 giving us 639 horsepower, making this the most powerful AMG money can buy, except for the AMG One. Total output of 843 horses. This is crazy. The 0 to 100 sprint in 2.9 seconds, and I think the base price in Germany with taxes included is above 200,000 euros. Anyways, this is not about the AMG GT4 door in general. This video is all about LARTE design. So LARTE design is a tuning company based in Germany, where we are at the headquarters here, close to Düsseldorf, and they are focusing on building unique car parts and body kits. So with the AMG GT4 door, they've come up with the idea of giving us an even crazier version with all the additional parts that they have added. So they do this for quite a lot of other Mercedes and other brand models, such as the G-Class, or I don't know, the X6 from BMW, the Cadillac, Porsche, Cayenne, whatsoever. But we will be focusing on the 4-door GT here. We have a variety of additional parts here, especially here in the rear, all of them mostly being finished in carbon fiber, in-house developed, engineered, and I even have a video of how we did the clay modeling a few months ago, and now we have the finished product here. Let me show you the videos. Apart from all the additional carbon fiber parts that we have here, this car also comes with a set of new wheels, which you can see here. We have a variety of wheels you can choose from LARTE design. They actually ship worldwide, and with this one they've outdone themselves. I really love the look. This looks quite impressive, the way they did it. All of these built in-house, designed in-house. The carbon fiber is exceptional. Just have a closer look on the bonnet here. It's full carbon fiber finish. I wish AMG did that, but here you have a LARTE design giving you the perfect solution if you want to have a better looking GT4 door. Full carbon fiber finish, extremely sporty touch. It's all up to you. So you can have it in full exposed carbon fiber, or they can paint it in your exterior paint or give you a full black option. Also down here, the front bumper looks really cool, and I really love the way they have actually finished the front bumper here. It's full finished in black gloss. Really cool with the additional AMG so-called Panamericana front grille. We have the LARTE design emblems all around here to add the unique touches, and a few more body touches here, which I think is a wrap. But all in all, how do you guys like the front of it? Give me 2 seconds to turn the car for you. And here we have it, the rear look of the AMG GT63 S E-Performance by LARTE design. So what have they done here? I mean, I've already explained all the front parts that they've added on. We have these additional side parts, we have the wheels, we have the side mirror cups. Then we have the rear diffuser, the new updated exhaust tips. We have the additional rear wing, which is all an option by LARTE Design. Also these additional covers are made and built by LARTE Design. Looks quite special and makes this car look even better than the stock version, right? How do you guys like it? I totally forgot to mention that we have the green Hell Magno exterior paint here. It's quite special for the 2-door, now here available for the 4-door as well. The overall touches here looks absolutely fantastic. Additional rear spoiler here, finished in black gloss. It's actually 2-parted. Looks really special, looks really cool. Aerodynamically improved as well. We have the rear diffuser here with the exhaust tips, and the exhaust tips are finished in Mercedes-Benz star shape here, which looks really cool. Quad exhaust tip, all made and built in-house by LARTE Design. And LARTE Design signature is actually something that you see here on the rear diffuser is the brake lights. So the brake lights, F1 inspired. Let me show you how that looks. These are the brake lights, there you go. These look so cool, especially during the night. So you have the brake lights located right down here at the rear diffuser. And this is something quite cool. It's Formula One inspired and is only available at LARTE Design. So from factory you don't get that. This looks really, really nice, especially during the night, and adds a very cool F1 character to the car. Makes it look even more sportier. I love this. How do you guys like it? So since we have an E-Performance model here, which you can actually tell by the lettering, here you go. You have an AC charger. I mean, you don't actually need to charge it because it recuperates during the driving, especially when doing high-speed runs on the Autobahn. The battery will be full within minutes. So this one is actually cool to have, especially when you drive in the city center to secure electric only car parking slot. But with this one, it's not even necessary. Before we start talking about the inside, let me show you the wheels. We have the 5-spoked forged wheels by LARTE Design's full black gloss finish. You have the LARTE Design essentials and details all around the wheel design, and it's all up to you. They can also finish them in the color you want. We have this additional side part, which makes the car look even wider and lower. This is something I really appreciate. Yeah, how do you guys like the wheel design here? If you just need minor touches to your car, all you have to add are these side fins here and the additional side mirror cups. Let me just show you from the front. This is how they look like. It's way sportier than the stock version. Anyways, let's get on and let's talk about the inside. So we are inside the AMG GT 4-door. Let me just close the door here. The cockpit view is one of a kind. I really love the finish here. It's a special edition. I don't even know what kind of special edition this is. We have the heated and ventilated seats. That's what you can already hear here. There you go. It's because we have, it's just saying 26 degrees, but we are already talking about 36 degrees. Germany's getting quite hot. Here you can change the driving mode all the way up to race, suspension, exhaust, dynamic finish, or the ESP. It's all up to you. And we have no more exhaust button. This is how the exhaust button looks like now. This is something I really don't like. It's combining both the exhaust sound and the electric driving response, the fake sound, the synthetic sound. Anyways, it's all up to you. I wish we still had the exhaust button here. All around we have matte carbon fiber finishing, and since we have a 63 here, we have these yellow stitching all around. Even on the seats, looks quite cool with the full leather finished headrest AMG. Also here some more AMG details all around. We have leather, we have Alcantara Dinamica also here on top, which I really like. So all around looks quite cool. The illuminated air vents and a quite nice looking interior. I wonder what AMG is going to do with the facelifted model of this one. Let me just switch it to Sport Plus and start it right away for you. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This one, to be honest, being the 2023 model year car, is not as loud as the latest one. So I have to defend AMG at this point. This is one of the first batches. Let me just show you the sound of this one. 3, 2, 1. So the sound of this one kind of disappointing. We have no pops and bangs, nothing. You just hear the bit of a turbo spool here. This is kind of interesting, but apart from that, the sound is quite disappointing. Let me just jump outside and give you more of a sound check. Okay, now we will be listening to the sound of the AMG GT63 S E-Performance by LARTE Design. The exhaust is not modified. The only thing that's modified here is the rear diffuser and the exhaust tips. 3 to 1, listen up to this. So the sound, honestly, is okay. No pops and bangs at all. Something that I still really like are the brake lights of LARTE Design. So whenever you brake, you have the F1 inspired brake lights here. This is kind of cool, especially during the night. So if you're interested in upgrading your GT4 door, all you got to do is message LARTE Design, check out their website. We'll be linking it down below. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you want to see more of LARTE Design, make sure to check them out on Instagram. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back